Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, whenever we travel to a country, a different country, or even transit through a country, we must know something about the rules of the country, that what are the things we can carry and what are the things we cannot. Because something that is legal at your place may be illegal at their place. So you should have basic knowledge. Now, why I'm insisting on its importance? Because recently a case has come up, okay, where a British woman who was traveling to India, and at New Delhi airport, she was stopped and detained. The reason, she was carrying a satellite phone. So carrying a satellite phone in India without license is illegal, okay? And regardless of the purpose, this woman is a hiker, okay, and her plan was to go to Rishikesh and go on top of hills, lead the team of other mountaineers. But she was detained, and the case was handed over to police, who did lot of paperwork and questioning before releasing her. So this is like a very troublesome situation. Okay, so and she has made an Instagram video too about this to warn others. Okay, so like, and she had to sign a lot of paperwork. So guys, similar rules are there in other countries too. I think something related to food items are also there. That is, I won't go into much into that details. So, so guys, always do some research and only carry things that are allowed to. Now, considering the story of this woman, when she arrived at Delhi and her luggage was scanned, that item was found. Then she was held there for hours, and according to her, even water access was not provided. I don't know about this because I was not there, of course. She tried to contact the British embassy, but British embassy said because now the matter is with the Indian authorities, so there is very little they can do. And then the police was involved. Police had taken her, and then she was questioned, and lot of paperwork was signed. And then around 9 p.m. she was released, but then but the problem hasn't ended for her because she has to return for a court appearance. Okay. And thing is that in a recent case, a Canadian national was also uh, detained in India for a similar device. Okay. Now, because of this, like I am requesting all of you to do some research about uh, what you can carry and what you cannot carry. Because if you do a slight miss, there could be a very huge trouble. Okay. And when it comes to national security, Indians take the matter very seriously. So please, guys, it's an honest warning to all of you. When you go to India or any other country, not just about India, do research what you can carry and what you cannot, and make sure you carry whatever is allowed. Okay. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.